Angry residents of Laifrapam have demanded former Lelong MLA Abdul Nasir to clarify his alleged derogatory remarks. He should tender an apology to the residents, Saya Club Secretary S. Arun Kumar told a press meet. He also said the residents have barred Abdul Nasir from campaigning in Laifrapam area. Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA convener M. Tombi today thanked the Election Commission of India ECI for fulfilling the party's demand to hold bypolls to more constituency in the state. The ECI yesterday announced schedule for bypolls to 3 more seats in the state. United Liberation Front of Assam Independent has claimed responsibility for the joint ambush on a patrol party of 19 Assam Rifles, gunning down 1 Assam Rifles personnel and injuring another at Changlang district in Arunachal Pradesh on Sunday morning. Terming Indian Army and Assam Rifles as occupation forces, the band outfit in a press note issued yesterday said that a combined team of Naga Army, NSN, GPRN, Ulfa I and RPF PLA carried out an attack on the convoy of 19 Assam Rifles near Senmo village on Manmo Road, killing 2 on the spot and injuring others. Manipur State Sumang Lila Council today condoled the sudden demise of Sumang Lila artist Sarungam Rajan of Wangoi Wahimam Laikai. Members of the Manipur State Sumang Lila Council also paid homage to late Sarungam Rajan. BJP State Council member K.S. Ibomsa along with Telochana Saijang Jila Parishad member A. Jamini, Takhel Sanjebam Gram Panchayat Pradhan M. Ningthem and ward member Sanjebam Khulen Y. Sujit today distributed essential commodities to around 20 families of Nongpok Sanjebam under Lamlai, declared as containment zone. The coronavirus situation in India seems to be improving with a drop in the number of daily cases and deaths. Official data provided by the Health Ministry shows India's active cases are falling, indicating that the number of recoveries is now higher than newly reported cases. At present, India's recovery rate stands slightly over 84%. India's case positivity rate has also been maintained below 10%, another indicator that the country is gradually seeing a drop in infections. Manipur recorded 192 new COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, taking the count to 12,105. A man aged 60 years from Imphal West died of the disease at Jenim yesterday. With this, the death toll stands at 75. The active cases as of this afternoon stood at 2,696 and the recovered cases at 9,334. The recovery rate is 77.10% till now in the state.